Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to speak about white, green, yellow and red arc in airspeed indicator. First one, white arc. Minimum speed VS0, stall speed in landing configuration with maximum permissible landing height. Maximum speed VFE, maximum flap extended speed. Green arc. Minimum speed VS1, stall speed or minimum steady flying speed in specified configuration. Maximum speed VN0, maximum normal operating speed with a maximum elevator deflection. Yellow arc. Minimum speed VN0 and maximum speed VNE. Never exceed speed in all conditions. Don't forget like and subscribe. See you next time.